In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Sora not available in your country. So in order to fix this, you can actually use a service called VPN. So click on the search bar and proceed to search right here for VPN, and you can see right here the options such as this VPN for Chrome, Proton VPN, as well as Urban VPN. But for this one, I actually recommend you to get the Express VPN since it is actually the most trusted service even by corporates. So another way is to head over and then get the Eastmate AI. Eastmate AI has Sora integrated, so you can head over and then just try this particular AI since its actual source is Sora as well. Proceed to click onto this try option, and for this case, you can head over and then just get it right there in order to use it directly into your country. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.